Very good morning to everyone. In the last lecture, we have started with the new chapter, Fire Insurance Claim, which is related to occurrence of fire in the premises of a business and how do they claim, they put their claim in front of the insurance company or the valuation of claim. Mostly the chapter is based on that. So now let us start with our first sum of the chapter. A fire broke in the business house on 8th July 2018. Goods costing rupees 2,03,000 in a small godown remain unaffected by fire. So fire broke down in a godown. Date is given 8th July. And what happened? That 2,03,000 was worth of goods, costing goods were in a small godown and they were unaffected by fire. Means these goods are saved by fire. Saved means this was unaffected. You can't even say saved, but this was not touched by fire. The goods retrieved in damaged condition from the main godown were valued at 1,97,000. These are the goods which were saved from fire, maybe somewhere in little damaged condition, but those were saved from fire and its cost is 1,97,000. So we have 2,03,000 which was also unaffected by fire, and we have 1,97,000 worth of goods which were salvaged, saved. Following particulars were available from the records. Stock on 31st March 2018 was rupees 15,72,000. 31st March 2018 मतलब लास्ट ईयर का क्लोजिंग स्टॉक एंड हमारा ये ईयर 1 अप्रैल को स्टार्ट हुआ रहेगा, 1 अप्रैल 2018. तो 31 मार्च 2018 का स्टॉक closing stock will become the opening stock of 1st April 2018, correct? Last year का closing stock, that is 31st March 2018 का closing stock will become the opening stock of 1st April 2018. Purchases for the period 1st April to 8th July 2018 were rupees 37 lakh 10,000, were rupees 37 lakh 10,000, and the sales during the same period was 52 lakh 60,000. So we have been given the purchases from opening date, beginning date to the date of fire. Same way, sales is also given from the opening date till the date of fire. Average rate of gross profit was 30% of sales. मतलब average हमें जो gross profit होता है, it is approximately, it is the average of average gross profit given 30% of sales. Policy amount was 10 lakhs. Calculate the claim. So let us start this sum. So what we do, whenever the information of the of the year till the date of fire, means till the date of fire information is given, we prepare the memorandum trading account. This we have to prepare in every question. Memorandum trading account from, which is the date 1st April, the business started this day, to date of fire. When was the date of fire? 8th July 2018. So this is the memorandum trading account. So what we will do, prepare the trading account. Particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. So सबसे पहले ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में what comes in the trading account? Opening stock. So last year का जो closing stock था becomes the opening stock of the current year. Then we have purchases. This is till the date of fire given in the question, from 1st April to 8th July. 1st April to 8th July. So it is how much? This 37 lakh 10,000. Then we have by sales. This is also from 1st April to 8th July. 52 lakh 60,000. Correct? नाउ इतना इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है एंड यहाँ पे दो चीज मिसिंग है. एक तो यहाँ पे दैट इज टू ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, जिसके बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, एंड इट इज बाय क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. और क्लोजिंग स्टॉक को हम बोलेंगे बाय स्टॉक ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर, या तो इसको क्लोजिंग स्टॉक बोलोगे तो भी चलेगा. दिस विल बी द बैलेंसिंग फिगर. मीन दिस इज द स्टॉक which got lost. This was the stock which was there in the premises of the company when there was a occurrence of fire. Means when there was a occurrence of fire, this is that stock which was there in the business premise. So buy stock on date of fire. But gross profit के बारे में क्या information है? See here, it is 30% of sales. What is gross profit? 30% of sales. So 30% of how much is the sale? Sale is 52 lakh 60,000. So calculate this. 30% of 52 lakh 60,000. How much is it coming? How much is it coming? $15,78,000. Are you getting this answer? 15,78,000. Now we have to balance. तो हम क्या देख रहे हैं, कौन सा साइड हैवी है, credit या debit? Normally we see credit is heavier and we get gross profit, but here we can see gross profit is already there and the debit side is heavy. Add all the three, 15,72,000 plus 37 lakh 10,000 plus 15 lakh 78,000, you will get 68 lakh 60,000. Are you getting this amount? 68 lakh 60,000. 68 lakh 60,000. Now, what is the balancing figure? Closing stock, that is the stock on date of fire, is 16 lakh. So we can call it as closing stock also, because that is the closing stock. Stock on date of fire is the closing stock on 8th July when the fire took place. When there was an occurrence of fire, the stock which was left with the business on that day is the closing stock of 8th July 2018. So you can write it as by closing stock. Still, it will be accepted correct only, or you may write stock on date of fire. It is up to you. Now what we will have to calculate? We will have to calculate actual loss. We will have to calculate actual loss. Now why actual loss? Because जिस दिन आग लगा उस दिन हमारे पास स्टॉक 16 लाख का था, लेकिन सारा स्टॉक जल गया क्या फायर में? दिस इज द स्टॉक ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर. जिस दिन आग लगा उस दिन वी हैड 16 लाख वर्थ ऑफ स्टॉक, बट everything did not got burnt in the fire. All the stock did not got burnt in the fire. All the stock is not lost by fire. So what is the actual loss? That will be stock on date of fire or closing stock. What is the amount? 16 lakhs. इसमें से लेस करेंगे वो स्टॉक जिसको हम सेव कर पाए, तो लेस जो बच गया विदाउट फायर. सो व्हाट इज द लेस स्टॉक अनएफेक्टेड बाय फायर? स्टॉक unaffected by fire. How much is this? This is 2,03,000. This becomes how much? ये लेस करेंगे तो this becomes 13,97,000. This becomes 13,97,000. And then we will do less stock salvaged or saved. This is how much? 1,97,000. So how much is the actual loss? Because 16 lakh में हमने 2,03,000 worth stock बच गया था. It was not affected by fire, and the other 1,97,000 was saved from fire. So how much is the actual loss? Actual loss is 12 lakh. Now they have asked us to calculate the claim. Now we will calculate the claim. So calculate the claim. तो claim हमारा loss देखो is more than the policy amount. Policy amount is 10 lakh and the stock is 12 lakh. Means it is more, the loss is more than the policy amount. The stock is more than the policy amount. There is nothing given about average stock, average clause. There is nothing given about average clause, but because we can see that the actual loss is more than the policy amount, but loss जब policy amount से ज़्यादा होगा तो उतना तो insurance company will not be able to give the claim. So let us proportionally calculate the claim. For that we have the formula of claim. Claim का formula है, what is the formula? It is amount of policy. Proportionally, we will have to give the amount of policy divided by stock on date of fire, stock on the date of fire into actual loss, into actual loss. अब हमने ये सब कुछ फाइंड किया है. पॉलिसी अमाउंट हमें पता है. हाउ मच इज द पॉलिसी अमाउंट? Policy amount is 10 lakhs. Policy amount is 10 lakhs. Policy amount is 10 lakh. Stock on date of fire is 16 lakh. Here, stock on date of fire is 16 lakh into actual losses 12 lakh. See how much claim you're getting. How much claim you are getting? How much claim are you getting? The claim of rupees 7,50,000. So this is the claim which insurance company will pay to the company. See, insurance policy is not to earn profit. It is to protection against the loss. So your actual loss was 12 lakhs, but insurance company has given the claim of only 7,50,000. Still, there is a loss, correct? Because you remember the final account adjustment. Uh, see, so stock loss by goods loss by fire, insurance claim receivable. In that also we will see that there is some loss. You must remember the final account when goods are lost by fire. Hardly you will anytime find that the goods what are lost by fire is equal to the insurance claim receivable. It is very rare. Maximum times you will find कि loss by fire भी होता ही है. तो यहाँ पे भी देखो 12 लाख का गुड्स लॉस हुआ, लेकिन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो क्लेम पे करेगी इट इज ओनली 7,50,000. सो विद दिस द सम इज डन. विद दिस सम इज डन. Fire occurred. Now let us do the next question. Fire occurred in the factory of B Company Limited on 30th June 2016. So on 30 June 2016, there was a fire occurrence of fire in the factory of B Company Limited, 30 June, which had taken an insurance policy for rupees 50,000 subject to average clause. Means 50,000 का policy लिया है. The company, B Company Limited, had taken insurance policy for 50,000 and subject to average clause. From the, as you know, average clause means if the loss is greater than the policy amount, proportionally the payment will be made against the claim. So from the following particulars, calculate the claim to be recovered from the insurance company. So we have to find out the claim. So here we have stock on 31/12/2015. तो ये लास्ट ईयर का स्टॉक है, करंट ईयर का ये ओपनिंग स्टॉक होगा. लास्ट ईयर का क्लोजिंग स्टॉक विल बिकम द opening stock of the current year. Then we have purchases from 1/1/2016 to the date of fire, 2 lakh. We have the purchases till date of fire, beginning year till date of fire. Then we have sales from 1/1/2016 to the date of fire, 2,40,000. It was ascertained that the company for the past 5 years had made an average profit of 25% on sales. मतलब प्रॉफिट पिछले 5 साल से भी अगर एवरेज निकाला जाए 5 साल का प्रॉफिट का, दे हैव गिवन द एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ प्रीवियस 5 years which comes to 25% on sales. So the value of goods salvaged was rupees 14,000. जब आग लगा तो कंपनी बी कंपनी लिमिटेड was able to save the goods worth rupees 14,000. मतलब 14,000 का goods was retrieved from fire, was saved from fire. So that is 14,000. So let us start the sum now. Because हमें यहाँ पे ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट भी मालूम है, परसेंटेज मालूम है 25%, एंड हमें ओपनिंग स्टॉक दिया है, परचेसेस टिल डेट ऑफ फायर and sales till date of fire दिया है. What we will do, we will start directly with the memorandum trading account. Trading account from 1st January 2016 till, what is the date? 36 June है ना 2016. So let us prepare. So columns are prepared. Particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले will come opening stock. Opening stock given is how much? 50,000. Then what is given? Purchases till date of fire is given. So purchases, how much is the purchases given? 2 lakhs. Then sales is given till the date of fire. Sales is 2,40,000. Now we require two things more. One is gross profit, which is directly not given, but the percentage is given. And then we want closing stock, which is also called as stock on date of fire. Stock on date of fire. This will be the balancing figure. This will be the balancing figure. So gross profit 25% of sales है. So 25% of 2,40,000. निकालो 25% of 2,40,000. How much are you getting? 60,000. Correct. So now what we will do, we'll close this account. देखो कितना डेबिट साइड हैवी लग रहा है. How much it is coming? 3,10,000. 3,10,000 and 2,40,000 minus करो, how much you will get? 70,000. करेक्ट. तो अभी हमें क्या निकालना है? कैलकुलेशन ऑफ एक्चुअल स्टॉक, सॉरी एक्चुअल लॉस. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ एक्चुअल लॉस, बिकॉज फॉर्मूला में हमें स्टॉक ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर चाहिए, पॉलिसी अमाउंट विच इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, और हमें एक और चीज चाहिए दैट इज एक्चुअल लॉस. सो हाउ मच इज द एक्चुअल लॉस? उसके लिए हम देखेंगे स्टॉक ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर. जिस दिन आग लगा उस दिन कितना स्टॉक था? इट वॉज 70,000. एंड कितना वी कुड सैल्वेज, कितना स्टॉक वॉज सैल्वेज, कितना स्टॉक वॉज सेव्ड, salvaged? Given in the question, stock salvage is how much? 14,000. So here we will write 14,000. Minus karo, how much you are getting the actual loss? Actual loss is how much? Minus karo, how much you are getting actual loss? 56,000. So now we can calculate the claim. Calculation of claim. See now, our actual loss is more than the average clause, sorry, more than the policy amount. Actual loss more than the policy amount. Put the formula of claim. Claim का formula क्या है? Claim का formula है policy amount divide by stock on date of fire into actual loss. Substitute it with the amount. Policy amount is 50,000. Stock on date of fire is 70,000. And actual loss is 56,000. How much claim are you getting? How much claim are you getting? 50,000 divided by 70,000 into 56,000. We are getting the claim of 40,000. So insurance company will pay B Company Limited 40,000. This is the final answer. Calculation of claim under fire insurance policy. So so we got the claim. With this, the sum is done. Thank you very much, everyone.